Hey guys, welcome again to lesson number 2, entering data in Excel. So let's get started. So basically, whenever you see data and you want to enter some data, so at the initial level, what I can share with you is, okay, let me zoom it out. So if you press this button, it will zoom it out. Also, you can the shortcut key to this is Control plus, or you can also use Control minus to zoom out. Okay, so I am just zooming it in. Okay, so let's say you want to enter data of the person wise sales. So what you will do is you will just select a cell, okay, and then enter the data. Let's say person is the person name which you want to enter. Now you can either press tab, or else you can press enter. If you press tab, you will move to column B. In this case, I'm just pressing enter. Okay, so now I will be typing sales, sales. Okay, so let's say I just pressed sales sdf, so I will just press backspace to remove the extra or just correct the data. Okay, so see, if I again press enter, it just takes me down to the next cell. Now, if you want to change the spelling, change this data in A3, either you can go and select this cell and then double click it and then type or change the data over here, or else you can select this cell and press F2 and then remove this data over here. If you want to completely replace this data, you don't need to go over here and then just press backspace and then type person sales. Okay, person profit. Okay, in fact, you just need, if you want to remove this cell and just type something else, you just need to select that cell and you can directly type sales profit. Okay, so you don't need to use backspace for each and every thing if you want to directly replace. Okay, so now I am typing in person, let's say P1. So if you see the data, let's say the name of this person is John. Okay, and I'm pressing tab, so this will go to C2. However, if you see, John is left align. Okay, if you want to move or align it to somewhere else, you can always do that, but by default what Excel does is it left aligns the data whatever is there in string. Okay, so I will say John, then Walker, okay, and so on, Amy, then let's say Sachin. Okay, so let's say if I press enter, just see where this cell goes. Okay, it will go to cell C because I have pressed enter over here initially, that's why. Otherwise it will come over here. Okay, now let's say I want to type in the data over here. Let's say the data is 890. Okay, so 890 is right align over here because Excel by default aligns numeric values to right. Okay, so let's say now I will enter 12 h1 hu. Okay, so if you see, this is a string, that's why Excel has kept it as right align. So in case 1 2 and o is typed, then 2, it will keep it as 1 2 o and towards the left side. And that is where you will understand that you have the data over here is 12 and not 12 120. Okay, see the difference. So basically this is how you can always type data and change. So this was a more of a basic level of data entry. Okay, we will see more on this in the next series. So if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you.